Let's talk about a room we all use but rarely appreciate, the laundry room. It's the unsung hero of our homes, quietly working behind the scenes to keep our lives running smoothly. Most of us don't give it a second thought, but imagine for a moment just how much this space does for us every single week. Maybe your laundry area is just a tiny corner tucked away, a cupboard squeezed into a hallway, or if you're lucky, a dedicated room. No matter its size, it's always the workhorse of the house, handling piles of clothes, towels, and linens without complaint. We rush in, toss in a load, and rush out again, barely noticing our surroundings. It's a place of quick pit stops, not leisurely visits. Most laundry rooms are purely functional, often cluttered, sometimes a bit dreary, and rarely a space we think of as beautiful or relaxing. It's easy to overlook its potential. But why not change that? If we spend so much time there, shouldn't it feel good? Imagine if your laundry room was a place you actually enjoyed being in, even if just for a few minutes at a time. Picture yourself sorting laundry in a space that lifts your mood. A room filled with light, color, and maybe even a touch of personality. Suddenly, the chore doesn't seem quite so bad. We put so much effort into making our living rooms cozy and our kitchens stylish. So why do we ignore the laundry room? It deserves the same attention and care as any other space in our home. With just a little creativity, a few simple changes, and maybe a splash of color, you can turn a dreaded chore into a pleasant routine. Even small updates can make a big difference. You don't need a big budget or a full renovation. Sometimes all it takes are a few clever, affordable tricks, like adding shelves, baskets, or even a cheerful piece of art to make the space more inviting and organized. Let's transform that forgotten space into a calm, organized sanctuary, a place where you can actually take a breath, enjoy a moment of peace, and feel proud of your home. Who knows? You might even find yourself looking for excuses to do laundry, just to spend time in your new favorite room. So, are you ready to give your laundry room the glow-up it truly deserves? Let's get started and make laundry day something to look forward to. When it comes to giving your laundry room a fresh new look, the best place to start is right under your feet, the floor. It's often overlooked, but it's the foundation of the entire space. Updating your flooring is the single biggest change you can make in a small space, instantly elevating the entire room. And the best part? It doesn't have to be expensive, complicated, or create a mess. Most laundry rooms are stuck with tired, uninspired floors. Think faded linoleum, cracked tiles, or just plain, cold concrete. These surfaces can make the room feel drab and uninviting, no matter how organized you are. But with a new floor, you can completely transform the mood. Suddenly, the space feels brighter, cleaner, and more welcoming, a place you actually want to spend time in. Peel and stick vinyl tiles are a total game changer for DIYers. They're incredibly easy to install, budget-friendly, and come in a huge variety of designs. Whether you love bold geometric patterns, classic wood looks, or trendy stone finishes, there's something for everyone. With so many options, you can easily find a style that matches your personality and the vibe you want for your laundry room. It's a chance to get creative and make the space uniquely yours. The best part? You don't need any special tools or advanced DIY skills. Just peel off the backing, stick the tiles down, and press firmly. It's that simple. No glue, no grout, no stress. In just a single afternoon, you can go from a dull, outdated floor to a stunning new look. It's a dramatic upgrade that's quick, satisfying, and totally doable, even if you're short on time. Suddenly, your laundry room feels more like a boutique space than a forgotten utility closet. The right floor can make the whole room feel special and inviting. Remember, the floor sets the tone for everything else in the room. So why not make it fabulous and let your laundry room shine? Here's how to lay peel and stick tiles. Start with a spotless floor. Clean and dry is key. Plan your layout before peeling anything. Play with patterns and make sure everything lines up. Mark a center line to keep things straight. Peel off the backing, press the tile down, and smooth out air bubbles. Cut tiles to fit edges with a utility knife. Watch your new floor come together like a giant, satisfying puzzle. In just a few hours, you'll have a durable, water-resistant, and easy-to-clean surface. The transformation is instant and impressive. You'll feel like a DIY pro, and only you'll know how easy it was. This is the foundation for your laundry room's new look. With the floor done, let's look up at your walls. Open shelving is the secret to a practical, stylish laundry room. It makes everything easy to see and grab, and opens up the space. Floating shelves or shelves on brackets draw the eye up and make the room feel bigger. Use the wall above your machines for 2 or 3 shelves. Prime storage real estate. Shelf kits are easy to install, even for beginners. Choose shelves that match your style: rustic wood, sleek white, or industrial metal. Open shelves are both storage and decor, adding character to your once boring walls. Functional can be beautiful. Now, let's style those shelves for maximum organization and charm. Decant laundry supplies into matching jars, bottles, or baskets. Ditch the messy packaging. Glass jars for powder, ceramic pots for pods, and pourers for softener look chic and keep things tidy. Matching baskets hide less attractive items and keep everything sorted. Label baskets for easy access, no more rummaging. This simple switch turns clutter into a curated display. You don't need to spend much. Find containers at bargain shops or reuse what you have. Stick to a consistent style for a calm, cohesive look. Suddenly, your shelves are a joy to look at. Organization never looked so good. Tired of folding laundry on the sofa? Add a countertop over your front-loading washer and dryer. A kitchen worktop cut to size, supported by wall battens, creates a seamless, built-in look. It's perfect for folding, sorting, and stacking clothes right where you need it. Style it with a plant or a tray for your laundry essentials. No side-by-side machines. Try a wall-mounted fold-down table for instant surface space. It folds away when not in use, ideal for tiny rooms. A countertop or fold-down table adds function and style. Laundry day just got easier. Lighting makes a huge difference. Swap out that harsh bulb for a stylish fixture. A flush or semi-flush mount is perfect for low ceilings and adds instant warmth. Choose a design that ties in with your shelves or hardware: brass, black, or glass. The right light turns your laundry room from clinical to cozy. It's a quick, affordable upgrade with a big impact. Good lighting signals that this room matters. It's the finishing touch that pulls your makeover together. Let your laundry room shine, literally. Paint is your chance to add personality. Be bold. The laundry room is the perfect place to try a color you love but wouldn't use elsewhere. Deep navy, forest green, sunny yellow, or dusky pink. Pick what makes you happy. Paint one wall for a pop of color, or go all in for a jewel box effect. Don't worry about trends. This is your space. Even a small area can be transformed with a tin of paint. Try stripes or patterns for extra fun. Your laundry room becomes a joyful surprise every time you walk in. Paint is the cheapest, most transformative tool in your kit. Take a moment to soak it all in. Look at what you've created. This room, which once felt dull and uninspired, has been completely transformed into a space you genuinely enjoy spending time in. It's no longer just a place to do chores. It's a reflection of your creativity and care. From the stunning new floor under your feet to the open shelves lined with tidy jars and baskets, every detail has been thoughtfully chosen. The practical countertop makes folding laundry a breeze, while the beautiful lighting adds a warm, inviting glow. A splash of color here and there brings the whole room to life, making it feel fresh and vibrant. Each step in this makeover was simple and affordable, but when combined, they've created a transformation that's truly remarkable. You didn't need fancy tools or a huge budget, just a bit of patience and a willingness to try something new. Now, your laundry room is a calm, organized, and beautiful retreat. Natural light pours in, highlighting the clean lines and thoughtful touches you've added. It's a space that feels peaceful and welcoming, even on the busiest days. Suddenly, laundry feels less like a chore and more like a mindful moment, a chance to pause, breathe, and enjoy the simple satisfaction of a job well done. You've shown that even the smallest rooms deserve love and attention. With a little imagination, any space can become something special, no matter its size. You don't need a big house or a big budget, just creativity, resourcefulness, and a few clever ideas. Sometimes the most charming spaces are the ones that make the most of what they have. Be proud of your new laundry haven. You've turned a utilitarian space into a place that brings you joy and comfort every single day. Even the room where the socks live can make you smile now. It's proof that happiness can be found in the little details. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a load of whites to put on, but I'll be doing it with a smile, thanks to this beautiful new space. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Here's to many happy laundry days ahead. See you next time.